Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't.
I wanna be the very best.
Hey, Jessie, what is that thing?
What thing?
Who's that Pokemon?
Choodle, the snapping Pokemon, a water type. When Choodle evolves, it becomes Dreadnought. Yeah, right. I don't believe it.
You gotta be kidding! When this thing evolves, it becomes that huge lug we got a load of yesterday?
Hooray! Now grab hold of it, James.
Or perhaps not. After all, it's a bit too...
I wanna be the very best. Oh, that's so cute. Spin it. Spin it. Spin it. Spin it.
Just a Spinnerack. This one's the cutest one on the force.
You did say Spinnerack, right?
Spinnerack, the string-spit Pokemon. Spinnerack can climb any surface easily and shoot a strong web from both the front and back of its body. Its prey is caught and held tight in its web.
The best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better.
Get out of my way.
Ready?
Yes!
Let's go.
That day, one of the toughest competitors that he ever fought, and that was Kel Yarber. And Kel was dying to win that race, he said.
We are building toward a dramatic finish. President Ronald Reagan looking on alongside Bill Grahams Jr. It is Richard Petty in car 43, Cale Yarber in car 28. Now as they try to position themselves for the last lap first to the finish. And a car is spun out. Doug Heveren's car is spun out in turn one. The yellow caution flag is going to come out. This may be the race that we're looking at here as they sweep up into traffic.
They are door to door in the dogleg. They touch, coming to the trial, down to the line. It's Richard Petty by a foot. Petty wins his 200th career NASCAR victory.
Who's that Pokemon?
I've assembled all 5 special cards, all 5 pieces of the puzzle. Exodia, obliterate!